Hey guys, today we're doing a science experiment. We're doing the walking water experiment. You'll need 6 glasses and 6 paper towels and red, yellow, and blue food coloring. Let me tell you something. So, don't you see that this is red, but the cap is yellow? This is actually yellow food coloring, even though it's red. Once it mixes with water, it will turn yellow. Now, you may be wondering, how do you fold these paper towels? And this is how. You need to first fold it in half and then run your hand on it like this. And then fold it again right here. And then you turn it here. And then you need to do this 6 times. Now let's fill the glasses with water. But we're only gonna fill this one, and this one. And also we're gonna pour 3/4. That's what the book said. Now we have filled the glasses alternate. This one is full, but this one doesn't have. This one is full, this one doesn't have. This one is full, but this one doesn't have. Now let's add the food coloring. Okay, just like adding 1 drop. Now we put all the food coloring. Now let's add in the paper towel. Add the flaps in like this. Let's put in that and add the eyes. Now it will take some time to mix. Hey guys, we left this overnight and this is what it became. So let me tell you how the primary colors make the secondary colors. And the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And the secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. So red and yellow make orange. And yellow and blue make green. And also red and blue make purple. We're doing the Make It Rain experiment. You'll need shaving cream, a glass of water, any kind of food coloring you want, and an eyedropper. Now, let's put the shaving cream in. Okay, now we put the shaving cream. Now, let's put the food coloring. Okay, I think it's going to go down here. Ooh, it looks like ice cream. And now get some, I think the eyebrow eyedropper and put it there until it's rain. I already add red, green, and blue again, but it's already good. Now I'm gonna add yellow. Maybe I'll show you what it is. Oh wow! That's so cool. Let me tell you how rain and clouds are formed. When the sun shines on water on the lake, ocean, or stream, it warms up the water and the water vapor will form and it rises up into the sky. It cools down as it moves up and changes back to water droplets. Those water droplets form clouds. When they combine together, it becomes heavier and heavier and will fall back to earth as raindrops. And this process continues and is called the water cycle. In this simulation, the shaving cream acts as the cloud and the food coloring as raindrops. When the food color combines and becomes heavier and heavier, it will fall, simulating rainfall. That's so cool. It's already starting to go, and there's also some green because the yellow and blue are mixing. That is so cool. We're doing a lemon lime lava experiment. And you can just use lemons or limes if you want. I'm using lime. And for this experiment, you will need limes, baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and food coloring. Also, a plastic bowl or a plastic plate and a plastic cup. Then ask your parents to cut the lemon or the lime in half. And then squeeze the juice in a cup. And you can also turn the lime juice or the lemon juice into lemonade by adding sugar and mixing it, and then also adding water. Now let's put some baking soda. I just put the baking soda, and now you need to put 3 to 4 drops of food coloring. Now let's add a drop of dish soap to each of them. Now let's stack it. Actually, we won't get to drink this because we need to put it here. Yeah, but it's filling up. Let me pour a little bit more. Okay. Okay, that's not it. Now we have to put this. I put it back a little bit. Let's see. Oh, that is so cool. And the vinegar and the lime act as the acid, and the baking powder act as base. And when those combine together, boom, carbon dioxide, which is the lava. Now let's do it again, but this time we're using yellow food coloring. Okay, good. Nice. Now let's pour the vinegar. Oh, now it's yellow. Now let's try with the green and blue. This is gonna be so cool. Green. So cool. Come on. So, wait, now it's rainbow. It's rainbow lava. Where did that come from? Wow. And now let's try all the colors at once. This is gonna be epic because I'm gonna add all 4 colors at now let's first add. Okay, now let's put yellow. This is so much fun because I keep on doing get to do it again and again and again. Now look at that. That is so cool. Oh my god. Hey, there's a big bubble there. Let me pop that big. I'm going to pop them. we are doing a fossil formation experiment. You will need a glass or plastic tube, sand, a sponge, a plunger, a small hand shovel, plastic bowl, any kind of food coloring you want, and water. The first step is to put a layer of sand on a plastic tube. Then press it real good. Now put a sponge in the tube, which will be the fossil. Now press the sponge down to the ground. Now put food coloring of any color you want. Then cover it with sand. Now add water. Food coloring acts as minerals and is absorbed by the foam. So now the fossil has minerals stored in it. So this is how the fossil is formed. We're doing an earthquake experiment. You'll need cardboard, 60 mini marshmallows, 40 toothpicks, and 12 mini craft sticks. Start by making a square with 4 toothpicks and 4 marshmallows. This is how your square needs to look like. Now make a cube. And now I'm finished making the cube. Now you need to add tiny X's at the sides. Now we have finished adding the X's. Okay, now we need to put some of these on. Now you need to make this 2 times. Okay, I made the second layer. Now we need to put some glue. It's not stable. Let's put some X's. Okay, now I added DXBs. Also added 4 more pillars for the third base. Also, be careful with these toothpicks because they're really blunt. Like that. Now let's put the X's. Okay, this is the last beam. Now it's time to earthquake. We need to put the pillars on the ground because if we do not, then when we shake it, even in a small earthquake, it'll just do that. Since we have put the pillars in the ground, it will not fall. Even if we shake it a lot like that, it will not fall. Even if we tuck it over, it will not fall. Now we're going to remove the beam, shake the cardboard to see if it will fall and it will break. Now let's remove the beam very slowly. Now we took out the top layers XP. And we put it on the ground. Now we'll see if anything is going to fall. Oh. Okay. Now we took out the beams of the second floor. It's kind of wobbly, so let's test it out. Wow, this is strong. It did nothing. Wow, it's kind of wiggling. Wow. Okay, now it's put in. What? Okay, that thing fell off. There were no XP. This tilted, and that thing fell. It's kind of already falling, even though I didn't take it out. Now, let's shake it. Now the building is crumbled, but let's do it more. That was cool. Let me explain what happened. When we put on the beams, it supported the tower. Even when we shaked it so hard, it would support the tower. But when we took off the beams, it didn't support it. We're coloring a rainbow. But we're not just coloring it, we're coloring it for an experiment. And for this experiment, you'll need a bag, paper, pen, and a glass or bowl of water. So first, you'll need to draw something. I'm drawing a rainbow. So I got my colors and I colored it a little bit. So let's start coloring. Yay! Like that, you color. And I'm using some markers. This is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, let me explain what we need to do. First, we gotta put the picture in the bag. And you'll be wondering, why is there a spot on my nose? It's because I was coloring. Okay, you're gonna draw an outline. It's really good. I'm not done yet. I think you can do this without me holding. It doesn't really look like it's working. That doesn't look like it, doesn't it? Hey, did you know that it can turn invisible when you put it in? Wow, that's cool. Since we dipped the rainbow, I want to tell you some things about the rainbow. When it's raining, you will only see rainbows when the sun is behind you. And also, there are 7 colors of the rainbow, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, we put the outline, but now we're trying again. Oh, now it works. Do you see the outline? That's super cool. Look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.